All right, welcome everybody. Want to continue the project that we have commenced yesterday in TI Portal. I'm using TI Portal version 16. So we'll start adding a blocks today. Today I will click on PLC, click on program block, add program. Today we will look at SCL, Structural Control Language, that I will start with. Yes, put it on manual, define the block number, 330, the block name, calculation of tank volume. So this is the function what the block will do for us. Okay, takes us to this interface. So now I want to quickly tell us what we needed in the program, what to do for us, and that for me to shorten the program. I've written some comments somewhere, so let me just copy this comment, copy the notepad and paste here. So it looks like this. So this simply means anytime you want to put comments in Excel, you put a backslash before you're writing the comment. So let me increase the font a little bit. Okay, the function is to calculate the volume of the liquid in the tank, the input parameter, filling, so on and so forth. You can read that those ones. So let's start defining the variable at the input and the output of the block as usual. So I want to define the filling level, filling underscore level as a variable, and it's going to be a real value comment filling level of the tank in meters close. I also want to define the diameter of the tank as a variable, as a variable going to be real. Diameter of tank in also in meters. I also want to define the maximum height of the tank as a variable mass, and as for height of the tank as a variable, and it's also going to be real. Comment also going to be meters. Okay, then at the output of the block interface, I'll declare error as error. If any error, it's going to be a boolean. This means that if the tank is overflowing, so we have already exceeded the maximum height of the tank by putting much volume than expected. So ER is equal to error. Okay, so here I will declare volume once again as Also, a variable is going to be in real format. The volume of liquid inside the tank in liters. Okay, so we are done with our declaration. Okay, nice. So I'll go. So this is the block. I'll start writing my logic. So I'll go to look for formula from the basic instruction to do the calculation of the volume inside the tank. So I will go to program control, then drag and drop if then else statement. So I don't need statement anymore. Delete. I also don't need this anymore. Delete. So this is where we write the else condition, and this is where we write the main condition. So let's start writing the condition now. So our condition here, we write the filling of the tank, filling level. Okay, if the filling level is greater or equal to 0, I'll do concatenation and okay, click the filling level and the filling level is less than, I want to check if it's also less than the maximum height. Less than or equal to maximum height. Then we'll carry out another concatenation here and want to check the diameter, and the diameter is greater than 0. So this is where we carry the then statement. Then we want to calculate the volume inside the tank. So we want to calculate the volume inside the tank. Volume a colon equal to, we'll go back again. This time around we'll go to maths function from the basic instruction, maths. So I'll drag and drop the square root of the diameter divided by 4 multiply by pi, and pi is 3.14159. Then I also want to multiply by the filling level. Then for me to now convert the value to liters, I will multiply by 1000 as stated in the statement or the comment. Multiply by 1000, then I'll end up by semicolon. Okay, then I will check the error here. Error colon equals to false, and then by semicolon. Then the X statement, else the error colon equal to true, semicolon. Then also else volume colon equal to -1. So which means our tank is overflowing. So this is the end of the logic in SQL. So I will compile the program. Okay, no error. So what I will do now, I will go to where I will call this block. Now I'll go to OB1. So I will drag and drop. Okay, beautiful. So now, as you can see, it's now requesting for global tag. So here, since all the parameters I'm going to watch out for are in real format, most of them are real format. So I will now click. I will put this as MD. Let's say I choose MD 40 diameter. I choose MD B44. So my error will be in a particular output Q of say 1 point, let's say 3 as the case may be. So and then the height of my tank will be a fixed height. The maximum height of my tank in this case I will define as 15.0. Then the volume that will come out during the calculation will go to another MD. I'll say MD 48. Okay, so my OB1 will be this format. Crazy font. Let us see it. Okay, good. I also want to now look at let's go to PLC default tag. The first tag here is I will name it the name as what it is in the block interface here as filling underscore level. The next one, go back, is the diameter. Copy, go to default tag, diameter. Next tag is the maximum height. Copy, go to default tag, paste. So this one is MD48 is our volume. So copy, volume, copy, paste. So then we are the boolean bool not md and output q 1.3. Yes, sorry, this is this is our error. Sorry. Okay, so I will go to watchdog, new, then I'll pick all my tags from the beginning. It was this one, second tag there is error, the third tag there is level, fourth tag there is maximum height. Okay, save and compile all the program. Okay, we go to simulation. Yeah, okay, my CPU is booting. So here I will click on start, look at the IP address. Beautiful, we're already online. Load, loading all the blocks. We add, click on drop down. Yes, finish. Okay, my CPU is booting. Good, my CPU is already online. So I can minimize this interface. So this is the block. Now I'll go online with my program. You can see my program is already online. So yeah, you can see my program is already online. Take this one a little bit outside here. Okay, I go to the OB1. It's my OB1. Go online. Okay, so we go to the watch table. Go online. Okay, you can see our bit is already true. So we want to now start defining or modify some inputs. We want to modify some inputs. And also go to PLC tags. My default tag table is here. I also go online. You can see, beautiful. So I want to start to modify the data in the watch table. So I decided to change the fully this thing to maybe 7.0, from 0 to 7.0. Then I now change the maximum diameter to 10.0. Then modify. So to go back to the program block, you can see the scale value. The maximum height at the minute is a little bit bigger. go a little bit bigger, but I hope every one of us can see it. Okay, so now there's it. So the maximum height of the tank is 15. So let's keep increasing the diameter. Okay, I go back to the wash. I want to modify here again once again as maybe 15 or 16. 16. Go back to the program block. You can see minus. Then I'll go back again, change this value to 7 again once again, or 8, 8.0. Then I modify this one to say 14.0. Go back to the OB. You can see the volume inside the tank and the minute is 1234503.0, which was also cast from the program block. You can see from here. See the result. You can see the diameter of the tank is 14. Filling level is 8. Error is false. So therefore, this is how we carry out tank calculation in Excel. Thank you all once again for your support. Always remember to like, share, comment, and follow me on my Facebook page, Musa Zekeri Festus. Thank you. Bye bye.